Hey, what's going on, everybody? Big Cav here, Cheap Reviews. Today we have the Bauer 2.8 amp palm sander, 5-inch random orbiter. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. I've actually got one of these already. This is my second one. The first one I loaned to a friend, and it mysteriously grew legs. So that ought to tell you how good it is. I actually did this table with this sander, and I had zero issues with it. I love this. So let's open the box and see what we got. So we have got that back in the box. Little instruction manual. I believe it's a 80 grit that comes with it. Yeah. So it's an 80 grit. A little piece of starter sandpaper to come with you. Cheap little thing. Got an owner's manual. Yep, ain't gonna read that. If you can't work an orbital sander, you don't need to be here. Let's see what else we got. So we got the unit itself. Decent little weight to it. Now I've got some pretty big hands. So this grip right here is like perfect for me. Got a little power button here on the front, a little on and off. Positive feel. One thing that I do like is that this is variable. So let's see if we can see that. Yeah. So it's got a little dial thing right here, and I like to use it either like right about there or full go. It is hook and loop. Let's see if it'll catch that. There you go. So it is hook and loop. It's 8 hole, so that's cool. Got a little dust collector here. If I remember right, I'm trying to remember how this goes. It's it twists off, kind of like a sealed O-ring style. So got an O-ring there to hold everything in, and then once, let's see here, there you go. So once you have that, you kind of spread these little tabs right here, and it should, if I remember right, pop off. I look like an asshole right now, don't I? Or no. It peels like that, like a clamshell. Must just be so new that, yeah. But it holds a fair amount. Got a filter inside. And then just putting it back together. Simple enough. There's that. And that's about the gist of it. So like I said, I use this sander on this table. It didn't seem underpowered at all. I have a old school, like from the late 90s Porter cable. I've also got like an old Craftsman, and I would say it's equal to that. It is a brushed motor, so keep that in mind. But it's strong. You can definitely feel the power. Um, let's see. Give me like the fit and finish is pretty nice. I mean, it's right in the prosumer line, so it's good for weekend warriors and you know light heavy duty use. Light heavy duty use, I could say. It's got a decent cord on it. I believe it's 3 meters, so 6 foot. Decent cable, yeah, roughly about 6 foot. So the grip here on the top side is rubberized, and it's got this nice little diamond plate kind of checker. And again, it's got the same kind of grip right here. Nice rubbery, something, definite real estate you can grab onto. There we go, focus. The billboard here is raised, which is fine, whatever. Again, this is 2.8 amps, 0 to 13,000 oscillations per minute is what it says. And yeah, go check it out. I recommend. Good stuff. Peace.